Okay, we're gonna do a dollar dollar now. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna start like this on your right side, and you're gonna look down, and you go step up, then come down, and slide onto your left knee, and then do this. You want to do this with your hand and go onto your left side. Come up, left, right, 1 and 2 and 3. So here you want to tap, tap, in, out, in, out. Then you want to go left, right, down, hit, up, turn around, and go down, left, right, right. Walk your dog, so left, right, 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 and make sure to do a body roll kind of when you go up, and keep left, then right, right, right for the best. Okay, so left, right, 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 down, up, and then step 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your hands are just twirling and you're just stepping like this. So 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So it's gonna be, you have to turn your head and step in together, drop, and then hit. Walk, okay. Then hit on hay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And come to middle and go this. So your arms are going out, in, out, and your legs are going. Okay. So you're going out, in, out. Then in again, or whatever this is, then 2, 3, 4. And on this, you want to sway your head a lot while crossing your hand. Okay, so hit. Twirl your hand while doing your hip thing. You want to kind of twirl your hip around to the right while also turning right. So hand on shoulder and then hit. Down, and your hands are going circle. So like, down. My shoe.
That's gonna be in it.
That's gonna be in it. Okay, so you go down, and flutter, and you want to exaggerate it. Yeah, like that. And then, you want to go down when you do this too. And then pull. 1 and 2. Your hands are just flipping, flip back and forth. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on this part, you're going right and you're looking right. Come forward. Then don't look right again. Just face forward, right, forward.
And then go back.
Okay, wait, I'm confused. Right, front, right, around,
over.
one look left, then right, look forward, together. Yeah, together to your on your left hip, and then you want to hit. Hit and bounce. Yeah,
Left. And then come to the clap. Up, outer, zig, zigzag, zig, and then 1, 2, and hit to the right, and then you're gonna go down, and you're gonna pull up, down, and your left arm is just gonna be on your thigh, like your hip area. Yep. So we went from this to that, jump, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
I can't hear you at all.
I'm sorry. So after we do the jump, we go into this part, and then X, and then you're gonna go turn to your right side, come forward to the right. This is when you keep looking forward. The only first time you turn to your right side is the first time. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Look. Don't look. Together. Pull it. And then walk. And then X. And to your right, left. Together. Up. Zigzag. Down. 1, 2. Hit. Down. And then after that, you're going to do this wiggle part. Wiggle, just by your chest level. And then after that, you go to your thigh. 2, 3.
So 1, 2, 3. Then you want to hit in, then hit in at your belly area. You want to step out with your left hand above your head. Go down in. When you go down, you want to make sure both your hands are on your left thigh. And then you want to hit to your right twice. Then turn around, step right, turn left. Then this is going to be 1, 2, 3, but just stand still. And then on the I love myself, you want to go, look at your hand. I love myself. Hey. And make sure to extend your arms when you go, hey. Then DALLA, you want to pretend you have a bob and like keep your hands flat. This, flat. So DALLA, yeah. And make sure to stick your butt out. Yeah. DALLA, yeah. Then you want to go down and turn your head. When you go down, make sure your hands are on your thigh and go down, up. And then step together like this. Make sure your palm is facing your hand or your head, and then your other hand is on your waist. And you twirl your hand around, and then hey, then walk a bit. Yeah. So 1 and 2, 3. Walk. Then DALLA, yeah. So for this part, you want to go out, right, in, left. Just keep doing that 3 times. So DALLA, yeah. Then tap, pull in, and left leg up, right leg up, and then step. When you step, you want to go in with your hand. Then DALLA, yeah. On the other, you want to lift your foot up. Yeah.
And then you're going to do this pull in out type thing. So your right arm is going to go forward, and you're going to pull it in, and your left arm is going to come up here by your like chest-ish level. So 1 and 2, and after that you're going to go like this with your hands. So your right arm is under, and your left hand is over your head. And you're going to kind of do this kind of motion. Kind of crack your head. But when you crack your head, you're going to turn around to your right side. So you're going to kind of use your left leg as your balance stool. You're going to hit it. And then come here. After that, you're going to make a thumb up to your side, actually. And you're going to lean to your right. And when you lean to your right, you're going to look back like this. And when you lean to your left, you're going to look back again. And you're going to throw everything out here. When you throw, it's not going to be fully extended right away. It's going to go from your elbow and then your full arm. So you're going to follow through. Then you throw. Hey. And then after that, you're going to lean to your right. This kind of relaxed part. And then to your left. And then you're going to nod. After your nod, you're going to pull strings from the air and move to your right side. So all together, It's gonna look like put your chin up. We got your back. Hey, keep your head up. Let's keep on dreaming. And then there's gonna be this little pause where it's gonna go everybody. And after the everybody, we're gonna do a slow-mo. And that's all freestyle. Up to you guys. Freestyle, freestyle, freestyle. And then after the freestyle, there's this slow part where everybody's gonna come up and down, and one of your arms is gonna go on your thigh, and then your other arm is gonna go above and down. It's gonna be a big wave basically, so like this. Yeah. Boom. And then when you go to the side, your head is also gonna follow. So bam. After that, it's gonna go down, up, and then around all together. So your right arm will go first, and then your left arm will follow down here. And then there's this pause, and when it goes, I love myself, everybody's gonna jump and do different kind of hearts. We can go back from the freestyle part. After the freestyle, it's gonna go the hand motion, 1, and then the second one, and you go down, up, around, I love myself. It's the hearts, and everybody's gonna go into different positions. After that, it's gonna go back into the ta-la, ta-la part. So, ta-la, ta-la, and after that, you're gonna make a thumb under your chin, and you're gonna throw it. When you throw it, your whole body's gonna go down this motion, and your right arm is gonna just behind your back. So, boom. And then when it's there, when you're kind of down here, both of our hands are gonna be by your thighs. So, bam, thigh, and then right to the left, left to the right, and then you're gonna come in like this. Yeah, bam. And you're gonna do another hit motion like that. Like, what do you want from me? And after that, you're gonna do hey. After the hey, you're gonna throw your right arm into the air like this to the left. And you're gonna just face left. So it goes like this. Pow. After that, you're gonna put both of your arms up here and you're gonna go sway to the right. And your body will be kind of lean forward like this, and you're gonna do a wave going up. After the wave, there's this yeah part in the lyrics, and after the yeah, we're gonna wave to forward, and you can put your arm by your thigh, your hip, and just go forward. And after that, you're gonna open the door, and you go up and down, and you're gonna pose. When you do this part, your right foot will be coming forward. It's gonna go 1 and 2 for both levels. 1, 2, and pose. And that's the end of the song or choreo.